Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable super thanks on your YouTube videos. This is a new feature from YouTube where you can pay for normal comments on videos. It's a great way to add an extra revenue source to your YouTube channel, and it's also a great way to interact with fans, and I think it's definitely a feature we should check out. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to set everything up. Let's jump right into this. So before we get too far into this, I will mention to actually be eligible for this, you'll already need to have both monetization and be a YouTube partner already on your YouTube account. You can't just enable this on any account, you will already need to be partner enabled. So with that out of the way, what we're going to be doing is coming back to the YouTube home screen. Once you're on the YouTube home screen or any other page on YouTube, what we're going to be doing is clicking on our user profile on the top right. And we're going to be clicking on the YouTube Studio option right here so we can go to our YouTube Studio dashboard. And here we can make some changes to our account. Once this is opened up, what we're going to be doing is coming to the left section right here. We're then going to be looking for the third last option here called monetization. If we select this open, we'll get some extra monetization options for our YouTube account. Here in the overview, we'll see all of the different monetizations that are enabled for us. However, what we're going to be looking for here is the last tab here at the top called supers. And here's where we can enable super chats and different things on our YouTube account. So the first thing you may have to do is enable, if you haven't already done it, is enable super chat itself. And then here on the right, we will see this new option here called super thanks. All we need to do is make sure this is enabled. And then within a couple of hours, you should have this super thanks feature on your YouTube videos, and it should show underneath every video on your YouTube account. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to enable super thanks on your YouTube videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a super thanks in this video to show your support. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.